Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make slime using the slime making kit. Guys, this is the activator, this is the slime glue, this is the slime color, and here's a bowl and a spoon. So let's go make the slime. Now let's pour some glue in the bowl. Guys, next we'll add some coloring. We are putting 2 drops. Now let's mix it well. Guys, we are mixing the color well. Guys, we are going to add the activator. Please add 1 drop. Add drop by drop to get the consistency. Guys, if you add more, it will become too hard. Mix it well till the glue base becomes nice. See, it's becoming very little. Guys, see, the slime is getting ready. It's starting into a slime. It has almost come, so it's ready. Guys, the slime is ready. It's so rubbery. So now let's take it into the hand. Guys, we are taking the slime in our hand. See, it's so nice slimy, it's so rubbery. So let's take it in our hand. It's so nice. As you can see it. It's so slimy. Hope you all enjoyed watching. You also can buy this online. If you need the link, I will just put it in the description. Or comment it in the comment box. I will send it in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell button for more interesting video. And thank you for watching this video, and bye.